Welcome to Clone Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Avatar Video Plus, an instant, personalized video you can send to anyone with just a few clicks. Whether you're making an announcement, onboarding a new team member, or reaching out to clients, this skill makes it fast and easy. Let's dive in. To create an Avatar Video Plus in Clone Studio, start from the home screen by choosing the clone you want to work with. You'll see all of your clones listed, each with their name, photo, and role. If you need a new clone, you can click the blue Create Clone button, but for this demo, I'm using myself, JR Rimbo. Once you've selected your clone, you'll be taken to the Clone Chat interface, where you'll submit your prompt for the Avatar Video Plus skill. Make sure the Avatar Video Plus skill is enabled for your clone by checking the Skills tab at the top. If you know it's already enabled, you can skip this step. When you're ready, click the blue New Chat button to begin. In your new chat, you're ready to submit your prompt. The Avatar Video Plus skill requires three things: the script you want your clone to say, the image URL for your avatar, and the email address to send the finished video to. If you don't have a headshot or image yet, you can use the Generate Image skill first to create one. Check out the Generate Image skill how-to video for tips. Here's a sample prompt you can use. Please use the Avatar Video Plus skill to create a video with the following. Script. Welcome to our product launch. I'm excited to share all the new features with you today. Image URL. https://img.com/jr-headshot.png. Email: marketing@cloneforce.com. Once your prompt is ready, just hit send. You'll see real-time feedback in the chat showing the Avatar Video Plus skill is running, and the status will update as your request is processed. Processing time depends on your script length, but it's usually quick. When your video is ready, you'll receive a message in chat and an email with a link to your finished video. To review your avatar video, simply click the link provided in chat or check your email inbox. The video will open in your browser, ready for you to watch and share. Once you're happy with the result, you can easily share your video with clients, coworkers, or anyone else. Just copy the link or forward the email. That's all it takes to create an Avatar Video Plus in Clone Studio. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to create and share Avatar Video Plus clips in Clone Studio. For more tips and tutorials, check out our other how-to videos. Ready to make your next video? Give it a try and see how easy it is.